It's there.
One of the great things about the modern world is how new technology can change the way that we live. It was only a few years ago that people had barely heard of drones, but of course, today drones are everywhere. Our company was formed back in 2014 by a couple of smart acoustics engineers who saw the need to actually detect drones, because although the bulk of drones are used for good purposes, there are occasions when they're not used for good purposes at all. One of the things that I love about this industry, it is moving so quickly. And in fact, a lot of the technology with drones has come out of smartphones. But we actually see in our business where drones are used for unethical or unwanted purpose. Critical infrastructure such as airports, bridges, power stations is an emerging use case for us. It was only recently police detected in Kent a young gentleman who was flying a drone to actually bring contraband, in this case drugs, into a prison. Prison operators now are able to detect any sort of drone that is operating around the perimeter. Frontline detection systems are also used extensively in military situations and in counterintelligence. But then another interesting one, if you're a high net worth celebrity, you want your privacy. So we're actually seeing around the world, celebrities are very interested. Where we come in is with our drone detection systems, and that's where we started. But in fact, customers were saying to us, we can detect drones, but what are we going to do about them? And I must say I was delighted with the speed with which our engineers and design personnel were able to build and release the drone gun. This product has the ability to detect a drone up to 2 kilometres out, to take control of it and to land it at the operator's feet, or to actually send it back to where the perpetrator is, so that the first responders can actually go and potentially catch that person. We are now a company that has a wide range of detection and defeat measures, and I must say we're getting a lot of interest from military and a whole range of use cases around the world. More recently, our customers have said to us, can we combine the drone gun with the acoustic detector? So we've launched our Drone Sentry. That's an integrated detector with a gun that can be a set and forget. You don't actually need an operator. This system works in any weather in a 360-degree arc, will detect the drones and bring them down. And we're also introducing, importantly, new detection facilities, and that is thermal, heat, it's optical, line of sight, it's radar, and it's radio frequency. The number of drones is just growing exponentially for use for bad purpose. So that gives us the opportunity, but it does mean that we have to be constantly thinking and constantly ahead of the game. The other challenge is this is a global industry. So getting that single purpose, leadership, vision, and making sure we're all aligned is another one. Memorable moments in DroneShield, there are so many because we are moving so quickly. But I think the one that sticks most in my mind, the Australian military has shown a lot of interest, and it took us some months to actually set up a demonstration. People had literally come in from all over the world. We're in a field outside of Canberra, and I could see these thunderclouds building. And sure enough, just as we were about to demonstrate, the heavens opened and the rain just poured down. We knew that our equipment worked because it is built and designed to work in all weathers. But I knew this would be a real testing point. We set the drone up 1 kilometre or 2 away, and sure enough, the alerts went off, the equipment worked. One of the military picked up the drone gun, was able to point it in the general direction 1 kilometre away, and bang, engaged the drone and brought it in to land at our feet. I was just so proud that the operation just worked like clockwork.
I see, roger. Got him.
So what differentiates DroneShield as a company? First, we're listed, and that gives us access to capital, to markets, and gives us the grunt that we need to take on these problems of unwanted drones on a global basis. We listen to our customers and we constantly bring new technology. But one of the things that we're most proud of, there are companies out there that will have drone detection. There are companies out there that have drone countermeasure. DroneShield is the only company that can do both the detection and the countermeasure together. Going forward, one of the areas that we're looking at is portability, particularly for the military people, where lightweight technology, which can in fact be backpack or even lighter. It's been a fast-moving journey to get here, and we continue to evolve as the industry continues to grow and evolve itself.